First of all, before even starting, look at how much I've bent this poor thing just to try and make sure you guys can see this. I have bent this thing so much. I am starting to worry I can't bend it anymore. Although that's impossible because of what it's made out of. It's just an exaggeration of how much I have bent this thing. But I think I finally figured out a formula on how to hold you guys without, like obstructing your view. So, I'm gonna turn my headphones way up and hope I can also hear, but hope you hear more, I guess. So, let's go, guys. Yeah, you guys should be able to hear that. I understand I need food. And, I need to go get my flour, too. My flour's in another area. Good thing I know how to get there. Oh, I left my lamp. That's not good. I need to go get it. My lamp. I can't get a new one until I kill a scavenger or steal it. And I'm too good for that. Too good for murder. So, you might be asking, why isn't it stored in your stomach? Well, I have actual valuables in there, and I hope to trade with a scavenger for some very flammable spears. Maybe one day, if I hadn't killed it already. I haven't actually played Artificer or Hunter, because I'm not that good at PvP, to be honest. That's the best I can do, guys. That's it. That is the best I can do. I missed. I mean, I guess we could look at the kill count for Spearmaster's Run, then the amount of times I did it. But, I'm not very good. Hold on. I might need to plug in my cellular device, and then we'll have to change games, because I don't have a charger here. Are you guys staring at the void right now? Okay. I guess I am taking you with me, you small rat. But I can't because I need 2 hands. So, I just hope you don't get boiled alive. Let's see. No, we should find a face down there. Okay, give me... Come in. I'm gonna make it so you come with me, even though you don't want it. Come on, go to the water. Oh, now you're just gonna die from drowning. And that's not fun. There's literally a safe spot right there. Why didn't I take it? Because I don't have enough food and I'm kind of dumb. Where did I go last time? I just have to go up. That should be fine. Probably take a shortcut if I go up through there, but I don't want to take the chance. I think I might take the chance. Why is that high up? Oh. Sadly, this does not count as food. If it did, I wouldn't be here right now. But it doesn't. So, we gotta go deeper. I see that spider, I think. I don't think that's a spider. I think that's just the game's weird shadow mechanics. Do I see a lizard? I died to a lizard last time I was here. It wasn't very fun. I think that's a scavenger. Scavengers don't like me. I have no idea why. They just like to murder me, I guess. I'm gonna eat this now. Good thing that blue lizard took him and not me. Now let's just let him dance while we get the hell out of here. I have spent you won't believe how many cycles I spent here. Hundreds upon millions. Like scouring every inch of space this place has to offer. Just to see if, oh, maybe the echo's somewhere around here in these crevices. Nope, just ends to a dead end. I know every square inch of Frosted Shores as a desperate attempt to try and find an echo that just turned out to be where Rivulet was. I've spent a long amount of time. But good news, big good news. I don't have to worry about that. Okay. I thought for a moment that it was flooded, but no, it's just the rat. Oh, I don't want you. If you have, or if you're still watching this, you must really want to see, where this goes. So, yeah. My rock. That's not my rock. I need to find my rock. That's just a brick. How do lizards survive being hit by a brick? How big are lizards? Oh my gosh, no, no, no. One, 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. We're going again. I'm almost a chieftain, so that's good. Dude, stop freaking out. I'm never coming back here because I really want to get out of here. Yeah, Saint just softy. He won't even hit the, he won't even hit the tin cans. He's like, no, there's actually living biomass inside or something. I don't know. Confused law stuff. So he won't even stab buildings that are clearly dead. Dead buildings. Oh my gosh. I hear the tipper-tapper of my ferret and my cat. I need to go check on them. Marshmallow is okay. Where is Tiny? I shall pet you, but just so you know. Hey guys, I got my cat with me. Tiny, I know you are actually my biggest cat, but please just sit still for 5 seconds, okay? I know you're freaking out because you don't want to go outside because it's cold. But stop running around. Your eyes are the sizes of black holes right now, okay? Okay. Okay. You good now? Okay, you're not going to run around and meow at nothing. Hear that scratching in the distance? She's meowing at, she's running around again. Okay, if that thing is there, that must mean it's safe. Okay, we're just continuing. I need to check what that was. Tiny, what are you doing? I see you. I acknowledge you. Please stop running around. Guys, my cat knocked over my garbage can. Or more of my recycling can, and I kid you not, they were just staring at it. Well, beady eyes. Okay, well, let's get some food, and then we can figure out what to do. Nope. I think you guys heard that. If you didn't, I'll be posting more daily. Where am I going? I don't think that's the direction I want to go. I think I want to go left. Is that left? Yeah, I think that's left. I believe I was going right. That is not the right way, but I can go right here. Go over here. Am I full? Yeah, I'm full. Where am I? Okay, so, I'm getting at that I've never been over here. Why are we going down? Let's take a look. Oh, this just loops back around to, shores. I've just never been here. So where's this go? Very tempting. Can go back. I think I'm lost. I am very lost. I don't know where to go. I think I'm gonna try going up there. Once I fall asleep somewhere, I'm stuck there, but if I don't fall asleep, I'm gonna die to the freezing coldness that I think Moon caused. Either that or just global unwarming. I don't like you guys. You guys are really weird. You just try and attack me for no reason. I think I kind of recognize this place. I have spent many hours on this game. I am breaking at 200 right now. I know, so fast. Stay over there, you. These kind of look like giant batteries. Like where giant batteries would be. I know absolutely nothing, but these just kind of look like giant batteries. Where am I going? I think I gotta go over here. Oh, hang on. It's a very angry lizard, and the lizard is coming for me. Okay, well, I'm just in random cubicles that I can't get out of unless I go face that guy. Please just stop spasming. It's getting, I think, cold. Although it's so warm here, I can't really. Oh no, he's gotten me. I just need to I know what to do. No, don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Wake up. No. Okay. We can watch this for a little bit, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Nope, his nest is right there. Guess where we're going to retrieve my flower? And since his nest is right there, there is no getting out of it. I'll be lucky if it's in a different room, but why do I do this to myself? Well. The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic test that slowly gets harder every time you complete it. I feel like I should really be trying to figure out where to go, but I don't know where to go. I'm assuming there's some way to get to there through a pipe. So go get there. Oh, other goal, don't die along the way. Okay, that guy's going that way, so I might want to find a few mice nearby to give him. Yeah, crazy. Even without humans, they're eating the same exact things. I know nothing of the lore. So, bird people wanted to die, but for some reason couldn't die, so they made giant calculators to figure out how to die, I think. And then they discovered a way to die, so they just started dying that way. Then they learned they don't actually die, they just go to somewhere with a bunch of the stuff. And apparently, if you're too attached to all of your belongings, you don't go there and become giant squid monsters. Okay, guys, am I correct? Did I get it right? Because if I did, I would be very surprised. Can someone please explain to me how spiders learn to revive each other? Like, one day they're just like, okay, cool, I can now do that. I can resuscitate my brothers. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Oh, let's get out of here. Never mind. This place is kind of weird without any music. I don't know what to do. I just... I just went to 5 pebbles, then the moon. Then nothing happened when I did, so I just started collecting echoes. I guess if I really want to, I could bring them all the pearls, but I think I already had most of them red. Oh, I didn't know that was there. Okay, where do we go now? We go back to the room we were just in. Okay, so, yeah, we go back to the room we were just in because there's something I want to do in there. I believe there is a lizard that does not particularly like me. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna try going left. Where am I? Surface. Okay. If I go that way, I think I accomplished something. Took me forever to find Frosted Shores Echo. Oh, that is not good. I need to find somewhere to sleep. I don't wish I had some music. I'm slowly inching towards the chieftain every night. Anyways, let's continue. So, we're just gonna keep going left in hopes of getting back to, gosh, I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go next. I already got, I think, all the echoes in the Wormlands. That's what I call it. Wormlands. I gotta go across the reindeer. I don't like you. But you're not exactly hostile. So I'm just gonna, yeah, okay. I'm trying to figure out why these guys aren't, like, dangerous in any way. Like, sure, they're like, mohaha, I have you, but they're not actually dangerous. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh, that is very dangerous. Oh, but I can give him this. Is that a colored pearl? Nope. Oh! Nope, you cannot have it. I want to give it to the scabby. Dude, come over here. No. Oh, wow. Kind of mad at me because at the beginning of the game you steal from a scavenger because the game tells you to, because it's cold out and you gotta survive, so it takes forever. Oh, well, they're not gonna like me after that. I shouldn't. I don't want to go down. I want to go up, but up is also very cold. So, oh, I touched someone's weak spot. The storm rages on and I get very distraught when I see a giant yellow centipede sitting right there by my bench, and he doesn't seem to like me. Food won't be enough to keep me alive, but I will take it. Ignore me. Oh, the storm rages on, and I'm not feeling distraught as I keep climbing up and trying to figure out how to going to survive this. They probably use a lot of spears, probably. Okay, now we are inside. Am I cold? No. I'm gonna keep going up, because I have no sense of direction and this is a completely new area. See? Brand new. So let's keep going up. Up towards the heavens. I want to check if I can go through here, because this just smells. Nope. Dead end. Boop, boop. That, and during the beginning of Saints campaign, we saw a giant, like, food. Yes. I feel like I've been here before. I think Rivulet's campaign. After we've given Moon energy cube thingy. Yeah. It's a rat trying to go in there, and the fact that the rats can't go in probably means we can't either. So let's keep going. Oh, it's very cold out today. But we're just gonna keep going up. Oh. I look very cold. But I am also very fluffy. I don't need food, and I don't want to be here. But I've gotten to the top and I have nowhere to go, so, I'm not doing that. Nuh-uh. I'm waiting until those guys are dead. So that might take a little bit. Hopefully they're still scared of the vultures, because I need to find somewhere to go. Yeah, these guys are also pretty scared. I need to find somewhere to go, because my ass is freezing. And just so you know, I'm actually freezing over the snow. I kind of... What am I standing on? Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Best call, worst place. Best call because, hey, I found somewhere to sleep. Worst place because, hey, it's freezing up here and I'm starting to think the snow is coming faster. Oh, and that's not good. Oh, hey, look, bats. I got company. Although you're probably gonna die for some reason. I can't eat bats. I don't like bats. Bats would mean I'd have to eat meat. Okay, let's see. We're just gonna go back and keep climbing up. Yep, up we go. Because I don't know where to go. I could try going left now. Now that's an option. I'm gonna try it. Okay, look, more left. Oh, that's a nice snow. I don't think I can go down though. I'm gonna go up, I guess. Up left. I think I recognize. I think we're on actually I think we're close to 5 levels. Oh, yep. We're on the track to 5 levels. I don't think I've been here before. Actually, I think we might be on the track to moons, because that wasn't there in other campaigns. Although I think it's pebbles, because... Oh, thingy! What is that? New arena. Cool. Oh, I don't like that. I've already been here. Oh, no. Don't get it. Pesky rodent. That's where I was last cycle. Oh, hi. You can bite me if you want. I'm just gonna go this way. Yep. Made a full loop. Oh, nope, that's not a good sign. Hold on, I'm taking you with me. You gotta go up now. Yes. That guy is one stretchy spider. Oh. That is not good. Nope. My food. Oh, my food. So now I think I'm at the bottom of a pit that I can't escape, so, Oh, hey, look. Food. I'm gonna take it with me. Oh. There he goes. And I've already been here. Apparently down here leads somewhere, so it's leading down, but have I been there? Yes, although I have not been where I just was. I am going in circles trying to figure out how to get out of here. And the time is being wasted. I'm sorry I haven't been posting any Wings of Fire animation stuff. But that's what I was planning on doing. But I lost my Apple Pencil. No, I'm not doing this. Well, that is my first recording out of many, and if you're still watching at the 36-minute mark, you have probably been surprised by how little I play. Anyways, goodbye.